Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. With this video, we are beginning a new video series where we learn Korean vocabulary alphabet-wise. So in this first video, we are starting with the letter Kyok. From everyday objects to useful words, let's explore essential Korean words that begin with Kyok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here comes the first word, and that is family. In Korean, it is 가족, 가족. Next is the word ball, and the Korean word for ball is gung, gung. Airport. In Korean, it is 공항, 공항. Next is the word winter. In Korean, it is called 겨울, 겨울. Now let's see how to say dog in Korean. And this one is very easy, being just a one-syllable word. 개, 개. Puppy in Korean it is 강아지, 강아지. Next is the word game. And in Korean it is game, game. As you can see, it is just the transliteration of the English word game. So you can call it as a loan word, right? Next comes the word fruit. 과일, 과일. Cat, 고양이, 고양이. Painting, 그림, 그림. Now let's look at the next word. Ear. Again, this is a very easy word, one syllable word. 귀, 귀. Now let's move ahead to the next word, and that is meat. 고기, 고기. Next is the Korean word for kimchi. Now, kimchi is itself a Korean word. So, in Korean, it is written as like this. Kimchi. Two-syllable word, kimchi. Okay? Next is singer. 가수, 가수. Now comes high school. And in Korean, it is 고등학교, 고등학교. Now, 학교 is the Korean word for school. And for high school, it's 고등학교. Now, let's see another word that begins with 기억. That is the Korean word for bag. 가방, 가방. Next comes the word mirror. And in Korean, it is 거울, 거울. Now, let's see the word for river in Korean. Again, super easy, being one syllable word, 강, 강. Next is the Korean word for store, and that is 가게, 가게. Now let's see the Korean word for park, 공원, 공원. Next comes classroom, and it is 교실, 교실. Now this kyo, it comes from 학교 for school, and 실 is used as a suffix to indicate that we are talking about a kind of room. So it is combined in such a way that it translates into classroom. A room in school is a classroom. 교실. Next comes ant. In Korean it is 개미, 개미. Potato, 감자, 감자. Now is police station. It is 경찰서, 경찰서. Now, remember, the Korean word for police is 경찰. Remove 서. Okay? And for police station, it is 경찰서. Next is the word theater. 극장, 극장. Next comes the Korean word for soup. 국, 국. It is very easy. Soup is a traditional dish in Korean culture. Okay? Next comes scissors. In Korean it is 가위, 가위. Air, 공기, 공기. Marriage, 결혼, 결혼. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some very essential Korean words that start with kyo, but there are so many more. So, can you think of any other Korean words that begin with kyo? If so, then share them in the comments below and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next letter in our series.